Getting up with those, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are unboxing a Laydown license plate on Amazon. So this one, 30 bucks. Very affordable compared to the one I purchased, I say about 4 years ago. Yeah, I say about 4 years ago from Kuryakin. So you have custom dynamics, you have Kuryakin. Both of those options are going to cost you over 100 bucks. So this one, like another one that I purchased, I didn't do an unboxing of it, but 30 bucks, guys. That is a huge difference when it comes to price. Kuryakin, custom dynamics. Of course, custom dynamics, they also have a LED option, which is something I'll probably look into maybe somewhere in the future. So go ahead and look at what we have here. So we have the mounting piece. As you can see, metal. I believe they claim it's alloy, supposedly. So let's go ahead and look at what we have here. We have the hardware right here. What is that? A lock nut, nylon nut, and of course the mounting hardware for your license plate. And you also have a rubber mounting bushing as well, to protect the paint from, of course, the Laydown mounting plate or backing plate, if you want to call it that. All metal, of course. Let's go ahead and look at this. Looks pretty solid. You know, it looks pretty good. I've seen people run their license plate just like this without, of course, the cover. You could do that too if that's the way you like. Let's go ahead and look at this piece. And this looks very, very rough. Alright. So, but I mean, it's a license plate holder. Who's really going to look at it? I think that's the major difference between this and your $100 options. So that really depends entirely on to you. Do you want something that looks this rough? Because you can see it all the way around. A lot of imperfections. A ton of imperfections throughout the whole piece. But, you know, for 30 bucks, I think it's a solid deal. I don't know, you guys can let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? Is this a solid piece? Do you guys mind all those imperfections? I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. There's like cracks, scratches, and stuff like that. And it's not a high gloss finish. It's more of a satin finish. Custom dynamics. See, look at that. You can see it. It's pretty rough. So, you guys can spend the extra money, get a high gloss finish with a high quality finish, or you can save yourself 100 bucks and get this instead. And I doubt anybody's going to be paying attention. So just like I said, the attention's in the details, and you pay for what you get. 30 bucks, I don't mind. I'm going to go throw this onto my bike and probably paint the other one. Of course, you could always do some repairs, paint it. But of course, you're going to have to do base and clear to kind of fix these little minor imperfections. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.